What's up guys, we've just signed up for Trusted HouseSitters, so we're doing a little video about who we are.
I'm Gemma.
And I'm Campbell, and we are a couple from Scotland. We've just graduated from university. We worked for a couple of years to save some money, and I was studying chemical engineering.
And I was studying nursing, and I worked as a nurse for 2 years, saved up some money, and then in May this year we quit our jobs and started to travel full time.
Yeah, so as of May this year we became full-time travellers. We started travelling around our home country, around the UK and Ireland. We did 3 weeks in Ireland in a tent, which was awesome. We were so lucky with the weather. And then before we went home for a little bit, and then did 2 weeks around the north coast of Scotland, where we were even luckier. We were sunbathing right on the north coast up the John O'Groats. It was incredible.
Our travels didn't end there. We started interrailing around Europe, and we started off in Amsterdam, we went to Berlin, we went to Prague, we went to Budapest, Salzburg, Pula. Anywhere else?
No, and then we ended up in Italy. We met a couple when we were in Salzburg, and we loved them so much that we bought bikes off of them because we were so inspired. Then we cycled down to Italy, all the way down, visited Greece for another couple of weeks, and then we went back into Italy up the west coast. And yeah, our bicycles were stolen, so we ended up renting a camper van, which is actually where we're sitting in right now. We're in France, last part of our trip. Yes, we're going to head back to the UK for a little bit, and then finally we're off back down under to Australia for a trip we've been planning for the past 4 years now. It was 4 years ago we did a trip down under and rented a camper van. We drove from Brisbane all the way up to Cairns, flew to Sydney, we flew to Fiji, we flew to all over Southeast Asia, Bangkok, Hong Kong, Singapore, and that's where we got the Wanderlust bug. Actually, we've been craving the travelling ever since then, so it's only fitting we go back there again.
So we've stayed in a range of accommodations over the past few years. We've stayed in shared accommodations, stayed in Airbnbs.
Yeah, we lived in hostels, we lived in a tent for 2 months, we rented while we were in London. So overall this time we've got a lot of personality traits that are required to live in spaces that aren't actually ours. We've learned how to be respectful of the spaces. Cleanliness is a main key, especially when you're living in a tent, and when you're living in a tent it quickly becomes chaos if you don't actually keep the place tidy.
Yeah, we like to leave a place cleaner than how we found it.
Yeah, so we're also very quiet, we know how to whisper, we're trustworthy, and we're very outgoing people. We love to make new friends and learn about the location where we're staying in.
Yeah, and the best thing about any accommodation is the funny friends that come along with it.
Okay, we always say it doesn't matter how good a hostel is, if there's a place that's got a four-legged friend there, it is our favourite one, no doubt about it. We absolutely love animals.
Yes, we love any accommodation that has a little furry friend, as it just reminds us of our little baby back home.
So why did we want to join the Trusted HouseSitters community? Well, we see it as a very cheap way of exploring the world and seeing every part of it as quick as we can on a budget.
We also see it as a great way of getting a local's insight into what's round about nearby.
It encourages us to keep moving because you only get a place for a couple of weeks, so we can't just settle into a place and get into a routine again. We're always on the move, which is what we love doing.
Yeah, and it just means that we can get out there, we can pick up the laptop, apply for a house sit, if we get it then off we go.
Exactly. Yes, we run the travel blog called highlands2hammocks. If you want to see more about us, you can head over and check that out. It's over at highlands2hammocks.co.uk, and that's all of our adventures, all of our travels, and all of our photos that we're taking.
So thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.